for tonight is buttered chicken. All we need is the chicken, which is already prepared, already marinated from Magnolia. It's not sponsored again, and this one is also free from the chicken that we bought in the supermarket. This is Magnolia breeding mix, so I don't know if it's available in the market already, but this is just only free from the chicken that we bought. So what we're gonna do first is we're going to heat it on the oil. So while waiting for that, we're going to breed the chicken right away. I don't use egg to breed the chicken. This is actually parang dire-diretso what I just only have in the house only. Kasi parang tipid. Okay. Oh my god. So let's check it if it's hot.
He's dead.
Medium light, medium heat lang siya. So if may I still have the breeder. May tira sa breeder, ginagamit ko siya sa ground pork for meatballs. So there. I don't use mga tricky ingredients kasi it's lutong bahay. And I don't want more preservatives kasi. So this is for tonight. This is our own for tonight. We don't usually cook pork kasi we want just low. We just only wanted the protein so there. Hindi ko na siya. Ayan. So we're gonna put it here and then we'll flip it. So there, while waiting, we're going to cover it. And then we'll wait for 2 minutes to start na. Everything. Okay, we're going to check on the golden brown. See, chicken is really pretty. We'll wait for 2 minutes again. And wait po lang. Prepare for hot water. Dad, napay kuan water. Dad, napay sulod ang termos. Ang termos ba sa tubig init? Napay sulod? Tubig init. Naa? Don't mind our kuan hanindot na lutoanan because we're again. Pour lang tayo. And we need like that kuan kasi para madali maluto. If makapal ka sila, yung mga kalan yung mga makapal. matagal siya maluto. Bipin lang yung gamit natin. So, need yung may nipis-nipis. Para madali siyang maluto. Right now, what I'm doing is preparing for butter. The other side is sambung leaves. That's sambung leaves. Sambung leaves yan ha. Or gabon in Bisaya. Gabon in Bisaya. Muhara ng sa gabon because my 2 kids is actually to call that dumided. Okay, we're going to get it na. See? This is yummy yummy. Very yummy yum. The kids would truly love this. Again, the chicken that we bought from Magnolia, it's not sponsored. It's already marinated. And it has free breeder when you buy it. The 1 kilo is 199 pesos. And this is not 1 kilo ha. What I prepare is not 1 kilo because I slice it into pieces. Well, they slice it already, but the slice that they do is really standard. Malaki kasi for the kids. So, I slice it into pieces. Yung maliit-liit. Yung kasya lang for the kids. And marami kami. So, we need like this. So, I think this is half of the chicken that we bought. And right now, I'm going to set this aside. Where are you going to put this? Here. Let's say we're going to prepare the hot water. See? And the rice is here. I cannot get inside, okay? Open the door for me. Open. I'm bringing 2 things in my hand.
No. Ikaw. Huh? Ooh, that's my liking. Crispy. Ate, gusto ka ni?
Okay, our table is really messy. So don't mind. This is still banana.
Oh, ikaw. Saan mo niluto, me?
You're very, very messy.
Isa luto
Now
mo.
Daddy is preparing smoothie.
Ma'am,
Like
saan
mango
gusto niyo?
smoothie. The kitchen is very
There's
nice.
squishy here. No. Hey. Oh, shit. Nanay, baby.
Atag sa ilo. Are you done, guys? This one.
Bapak sudah ngurus tuh.
This one ba? The knife.